everyone, I am from Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic Nasik, subject Industrial Measurement, subject code 22402. Participants Pooja Pawar, Shruti Godekar, Khushi Thakur. Guided by Parnit Ma'am. Here we see introduction. Nearly all industrial processes use liquids, gaseous or both. Controlling this process required the measurement and control of the liquid and gas pressure. Thus, pressure measurement is one of the most important of all process measurement. Here we see what is pressure. Pressure means force per unit area exerted by the fluid on the surface of container. P is equal to F upon A, where F is force in Newton, A is area in meter square. Pressure is of two types, static pressure and dynamic pressure. Here we see pressure is two types, static pressure and dynamic pressure. Static pressure when the force in system under pressure is constant or static. Example, unvarying, the pressure is said to be static pressure. Dynamic pressure, if the force is varying, on the other hand, the pressure is said to be dynamic pressure. Here we see unit of pressure. 1 atm is equal to 14.7 psi at sea level, 1013 kilopascal, 760 mm of Hg, 103 millimeter of water, 130 millibar. 1 pascal is 1 n upon m square. 1 bar is equal to 100 pascal. Since P is equal to PGH, H is equal to in bracket P1 minus P2 upon PG. P1 minus P2 is equal to PGH, where P is equal to mass of density of fluid, G gravity, P1 unknown ratio and P2 atmospheric pressure.
Manometers. A manometer is an instrument that uses a column of liquid to measure pressure. A manometer utilizes the hydrostatic balance principle wherein a pressure is measured by the height of the liquid it will be support. Manometer depends on three factors. First, the height of the column of the fluid H. Second, the density of the fluid. Third, the gravitational constant which equal 9.81 m square. So the pressure in manometer is equals to H into G. U-tube manometer, simplest manometer used in the measurement of liquid or gas pressure. Both legs have same area. Manometer fluid of non-specific gravity is used. Water and mercury are used as a manometric fluid. Advantage of using this fluid is that mass density of this fluid can be obtained easily and they do not stick to the U-tube. Well type manometer. One leg is a simple tube, other leg is a large well. For small displacement of liquid level in the well, there will be the large change in the highest of simple tube. The well type manometer is widely used because of inconvenience. The reading of only a single leg is required in it. Here is the diagram of well type manometer. It consists of a very large diameter vessel connected on one side to a very small size tube. Thus, the zero level moves very little when pressure is applied. Inclined tube manometer. It is slant manometer. The angle of measuring leg is about 10 degree. Inclination is done to improve the sensitivity. This manometer is used to measure very small pressure difference. Here is the inclined tube manometer diagram.
Elastic pressure transducers. The elastic pressure transducer are the mechanical elements that are used for converting one form of energy into the other form of energy that can be used measure easily. There are number of mechanical transducers. Some of the commonly used ones are described below. Bourdon tube pressure transducer, diaphragm pressure transducer, bellows pressure transducer. Electrical pressure transducers. The electrical transducer in one which converts the non-electrical quantity into the equivalent electrical quantity. Non-electrical quantities such as force, displacement, trace and temperature. Electrical quantities such as current and voltage. This is 4 type: strain gauge pressure transducer, potentiometer pressure transducer, capacitive pressure transducer, reluctance pressure transducer, linear variable differential transformer, servo pressure transducer, piezoelectric pressure transducer. Method of pressure measurement: manometer method, elastic pressure transducers, pressure measurement by measuring vacuum, pressure measurement by balancing the force produced on a known area by a measured force, electrical pressure transducer. Inclined tube manometer: it is slant manometer. The angle of measuring leg is about 10 degree. Inclination is done to improve the sensitivity. This manometer is used to measure very small pressure difference. Thank you.